trust in love 심장 가장 깊숙한 곳가 That's why 움켜쥔 순간보다 trigger 잔인하게 날 들어 trigger 넌 또 사라져.
I'm going to start with the primer. You can use any primer you want, but I'm using the one from MAC. And it's been a while, so hi guys! I'm using a concealer first since the foundation I'm gonna use is actually lighter than my skin tone, so I'm going to apply it to the areas I want to cover and just to highlight my face, and I'm going to just blend it using a beauty blender. For the foundation, I'm using a cushion foundation from MISSHA, and I'm going to use a beauty blender just to stack it firmly onto my face and blend it downwards my neck because it is actually quite light on me. For the powder, I'm just going to set my face using my trusty old RIMMEL Stay Matte Press Powder, and I'm just going to set my under eye and areas I don't want to crease. Moving on to the contour, I'm just using the one that I always use from Body Shop and give my face some definition, contour my nose and my cheekbones, and you know, all the good stuff. Moving on to the brows, I'm using the same Age pomade and I'm just going to draw the tail on my eyebrows, but not to make it too long. And then set it with the same eyebrow mascara that I've always been using for the longest time as well. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the same eye primer from ETUDE house and then set it using the translucent powder that I used earlier. Ooh, she's so pretty, but I'm using the Queen of Hearts palette from RAINE, and I'm using air to apply it all over my eyes like so. And then the shade Princess all over the crease like so. And then I'm using Ladyship, which is the pinky plummy color, to apply it into my inner lids and diffusing it onto my crease. And I'm just going to go back to Princess to blend it all out. Since I'm doing a lazy semi-cut crease, I'm using Your Royal Highness to apply it onto my lid and just to give that little cut crease effect, and it's so pretty, this color, it's so shiny, I love it. Moving along, I'm using this glitter liner shadow thing to define the line of the cut crease like so. I suck at lining my eyes, like look at me shaking, oh my god, but here is what it looks like at the moment. And do you think we're finished lining things? No, we're not, because I'm using the liquid liner to line my eyes like so. You can see me struggling, so I went ahead and like finished everything off camera as well. And then I'm using concealer to highlight my egg yolk style because I don't really like putting a lot of eyeshadow onto my lash line because I think it looks a little bit too crowded onto my eyes. So I'm just using that to accentuate it. And then I'm going to set it with the pressed powder. Then using the leftover pigment from Ladyship, I'm using it to line the outer corner of my lower lash line. And I'm using the shade Duchess to darken it. Lastly, to balance it all out, I'm using the same glitter liner to apply onto my lower middle lash line like so. Moving on to the lashes, I am gonna go off camera to apply them, and look, ta-da! Before I curl my lower lashes and my upper lashes like so, and I'm using the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup to apply them on all over my lashes, like yeah, because it's so pretty, like it makes your eyelashes look so long and voluminous. I just like it. And I'm finally going to tightline my eyes as my last step because I feel like it's more convenient that way. And voila, your eye makeup is done. Moving on to the lips, I'm just going to line it using a cool toned lip liner. Moving on to the fun part, I'm attaching the paper pieces that would outline the broken hot blush theme going on like so. It was so hard to actually put it onto my face. Like I should probably got a sticker or something, but it was like this, and I had to use a precision brush to make sure you could see like the cracks and things. Like I made this a long time ago and I actually managed to like get it vivid enough to see like where the cracks are, but with this one I don't know what happened. So I don't know, you guys, it'll probably do it better than I did, but that's okay. Moving on to the highlighter, I'm just using a bullet brush to highlight the highest points of my cheeks and also the inside of the cracked hearts, just to give it a little bit more dimension. Lastly, I changed my mind with the lip color. I didn't want it to be pink, I wanted it to be red because it's Valentine's Day, but anyways, we don't talk about that. And I'm just pressing my lips to spread the color evenly onto my lips like so. Yeah, and you're done.